Imagine you've somehow convinced every scientist, engineer, and possibly a few very confused politicians to let you dig a hole straight through the center of the Earth. You start at your hometown. The plan? Dig all the way down through the crust, mantle, outer core, inner core, and then up through the other side until you pop out somewhere far away, maybe the middle of the Indian Ocean. And because we're in what-if territory, let's pretend you have the world's most powerful drill, indestructible walls for your tunnel, and absolutely no budget problems. Easy, right? First problem, heat. The deeper you go, the hotter it gets. By the time you're just a few dozen kilometers down, the temperature is already hotter than a pizza oven. By the time you reach the core, it's hotter than the surface of the sun, about 5,700 degrees Celsius. Your tunnel would need to handle conditions that make lava look like a refreshing drink. Luckily, in our impossible scenario, your magical tunnel walls can withstand it. Second problem, pressure. At the Earth's core, the pressure is over 3.6 million times atmospheric pressure. If your tunnel wasn't indestructible, it would collapse instantly, turning you and your drill into geological confetti. But we'll keep ignoring physics, because otherwise this video would end after 30 seconds with, "You die." Now here's the fun part. Once your hole is finished, you decide to jump in. No rocket, no parachute, just a straight fall through the planet. At first, gravity pulls you toward the center, accelerating you faster and faster. Within a minute, you're already traveling faster than a commercial jet. After about 20 minutes, you hit maximum speed, over 28,000 kilometers per hour. That's roughly 23 times the speed of sound. Congratulations. You've just set the world record for fastest human without a vehicle. But as you approach the Earth's core, something strange happens. Gravity, which was pulling you toward the center, now starts pulling you away from it, toward the opposite side. It slows you down until, after another 20 minutes, you reach the other end of the tunnel. You shoot out the opening like a human cannonball, flying into the air on the far side of the world, before falling right back down into the hole. And unless someone grabs you, you'll keep oscillating back and forth forever, like the world's most dangerous pendulum ride. Of course, this assumes your tunnel is completely empty. In reality, the Earth's atmosphere would rush in, filling the hole with air. You'd burn up from friction in seconds, and your journey would end as a pile of ash somewhere near the mantle. And even if you somehow vacuum sealed it, the Coriolis effect, the same thing that makes storms spin, would slam you into the tunnel walls within minutes unless you jumped in with perfect precision. And there's another small problem. If your hole goes through the oceans, you've just created the world's largest, deadliest drain. Trillions of liters of water would pour in, creating tsunamis and flooding the other side of the planet. That's assuming molten rock didn't already gush in and fill the hole like nature's most aggressive repair job. So in the real world, drilling a hole straight through Earth isn't just impossible. It's a recipe for catastrophic death and global disaster. But in our perfect fantasy, it's the ultimate thrill ride. Just don't forget to wave at everyone in the middle as you pass through at 28,000 kilometers